Number 1. Alcatraz Island. Although a popular tourist attraction today, parts of Alcatraz Island remain abandoned and decaying. The old cell blocks, guard towers, and overgrown gardens offer a haunting reminder of the island's history as a federal prison. Some areas, like the officers' quarters and workspaces, remain untouched, giving visitors a glimpse of the eerie past. The mix of historical significance and decay makes Alcatraz a fascinating, yet unsettling sight. Number 2. Sutro Baths. The Sutro Baths once stood as a grand bathhouse complex, featuring pools, slides, and an ice skating rink. After its closure in 1966 and destruction by fire, only ruins remain of its once impressive structure. The crumbling walls and foundation offer stunning views of the Pacific Ocean, while serving as a haunting reminder of the site's former glory. Visitors often explore the ruins, captivated by its historical and eerie charm. Number 3. Fort Winfield Scott. Part of the Presidio, Fort Winfield Scott was built in the early 1900s as a coastal defense fort. While much of the Presidio has been redeveloped, parts of the fort, including barracks and officer quarters, remain abandoned. Surrounded by fog and forest, the decaying buildings provide an eerie atmosphere for those exploring this forgotten corner of San Francisco's military history. Number 4. Hunters Point Naval Shipyard. Hunters Point Naval Shipyard, once a key naval site during World War II, has been abandoned since the 1970s. Its rusting warehouses, empty docks, and deteriorating buildings create a post-apocalyptic landscape. Toxic contamination has restricted access to certain areas, but urban explorers are drawn to the vast, eerie complex. The shipyard's decaying structures reflect its storied past and present challenges. Number 5. Battery Townsley. Battery Townsley, built during World War II to protect the Bay Area, is located in the Marin Headlands. While some restoration efforts have been made, many original bunkers and tunnels remain abandoned. The rusting equipment and graffiti-covered walls offer a stark reminder of San Francisco's military history. The site's mix of decay and preservation makes it a unique spot for exploration. Number 6. Point Reyes Shipwreck. Just outside of San Francisco, the Point Reyes Shipwreck is a decaying fishing boat stranded on the shores of Inverness. Its rusting hull and weathered wood have become a favorite among photographers and explorers seeking abandoned beauty. Though not within the city, the shipwreck offers a striking contrast against the natural surroundings and is a popular destination for those seeking a hauntingly beautiful scene near San Francisco. Number 7. Naval Radiological Defense Laboratory. Located on Treasure Island, the Naval Radiological Defense Laboratory was used for radiation research during World War II. The site has been abandoned for years, with decaying buildings, rusting equipment, and toxic contamination making it one of the most eerie and dangerous locations in San Francisco. Entry is restricted, but its dark history continues to fascinate those drawn to abandoned sites.